Wow, my dear sister, we thank God all the blood is out now. And to my beautiful ladies, my dear sister, don't leave dirty blood in your womb. My dear, if you know 1 month, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, even a year, and you don't get your menses, you are not pregnant, my dear, let me help you bring that dirty blood out. Okay, it's clothes. Everyone know this, okay? And you can get this from any African market. It's very cheap. Any African market, you will get this, okay? So if you don't have the powder one, you can use just 1 spoon of cloves, add 1 cup of water, cook this for about 5 to 15 minutes. Yeah, but me, I'm gonna use the powder one because I love the powder one. It's very simple to make. So if you have the powder one, just 1 teaspoon of clove powder, then add your hot water. It's very simple to make, my dear. Drink this and bring out all the dirty blood from your womb. All the dirty blood, maybe 2 years, 3 years, 6 months, 1 month, your menses is not coming. Some ladies, they get their menses every month, but trust me, it's not flowing well, my dear. Drink this tea as a lady. When you get your menses today, try to drink this so that the blood will come, you will flow well. I mean, yeah. So it's very simple. Now you leave this there for maybe, now it's hot, so leave it. When it's warm, drink this tea and trust me.